Next, we'll demonstrate the buttonhole stitch. It's similar to the circular buttonhole above, but a bit simpler. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 6. Bring up here. Insert below. Leave some slack on the fabric. Then bring up above it, forming a buttonhole shape. Let's demonstrate again. Insert below the line. Then bring up above the line, forming a buttonhole. Let's demonstrate once more. Insert at the lower left. Bring up directly above the line. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches tight when embroidering, creating a linked chain effect. This makes the pattern beautiful and secure. Insert the last stitch. This buttonhole stitch is complete. Let's look at the finished result.